How can I stay up to date on my team's productivity? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new completed task in Google Tasks. Then we'll be sending the details of that task as an email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Google Tasks to Gmail. I'm going to select my trigger by clicking in the trigger box. And my trigger app is going to be in Google Tasks. And the event is going to be new completed task. I'm going to log into my Google account. If you have any issues logging into the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. The task list that I want this workflow to monitor is my tasks. And we'll test our trigger. So we have a completed task. So I want to send the details of this task as an email in Gmail. So we're going to select Gmail as our action app. And the event is going to be send email. I'm going to send this email to myself, elliot@workload@gmail.com. And I'm going to go ahead and use that as the from email and the reply to email. So in this instance, once somebody on my team completes a task and marks it as complete within Google Tasks, then I, as the company owner, will receive an email letting me know that happened. So again, the from name can be me. The subject, I'm going to pull from that trigger, and it's going to be the name of the task. And then the body is going to say task status, colon, and then I'm going to find here where it says status completed, return, and I'm going to list the duties involved, which are the notes, return, and then the completed time. We'll say completed at colon, and then that time. Okay, so I'll click continue, and I will test this action. And we have a success. So I'll click continue. And then I'm going to jump over to Gmail. And I already have received that email. Close stored duties, which is the name of the task, task status completed, all the steps of the task, and then completed at, and it has the date and time. So looks like my workflow is working properly. I can head back over to the workload editor. I can check and make sure there is a green dot in the left-hand corner of each of my nodes. Then I can activate my workflow. And now every time I receive a completed task in Google Tasks, I will be sent an email in Gmail letting me know that's happened. That's how I can use Workload to build a workflow that sends me an email to notify me when a task has been completed in Google Tasks. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this post and click here to subscribe to our channel. Or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.